Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2016 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited 75th Anniversary Edition, 4-wheel drive, stock number E1989X. 45,000 miles on this one owner. Local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this Grand Cherokee brand new, bright white in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage, seats 5, leather interior. Rear outboard seats are also heated. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. It's a very safe vehicle. Blind spot monitoring, along with backup camera and rear parking sensors, helping to give it a 5-star front and side government crash rating. Trailering package includes auto leveling rear suspension, power liftgate for convenience, lots of cargo space in the rear, hooks on both sides, perfect for keeping plastic grocery bags secure, and a removable privacy cover. And very clean, as you can see, no dents or dings in the body. The 75th Anniversary Edition has keyless entry, along with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seats, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to keep you in that perfect driving position, power moonroof, large, easy-to-read gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, paddle shifters for the 8-speed automatic transmission, large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices, heated seats as well as heated steering wheel, along with dual zone automatic temperature control. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect those Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming, and that is of course where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things used most often. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those media devices. That 8-speed automatic transmission and 4-wheel drive with 4-low. Lots of storage space in the armrest. And a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Overhead, auto-dimming mirror, home link transmitter for garage door opener, power moonroof, and power liftgate control. Under the hood, this Grand Cherokee has a 3.6-liter V6, 295 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 18 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 25 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.